I just finished a bomb wash and go. Of course, I'm going to show you how to do it too. Hi, curl friends. Welcome back to my channel, and a special welcome to those of you who are new here to the curl friend community. I'm naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend, and I have a ton of natural hair tutorials and product reviews. When I'm not sharing my natural hair tutorials and product reviews, I love sharing my personal fitness journey, beauty tips, and all things mom life. So if you haven't already, check out some of my other videos, and if you find something that you like, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out. Now, let's get into today's wash and go. For today's video, I'm doing a 4-step wash and go routine using Curl Mix. Yay! I'm really excited about this because a few weeks ago, I did an Instagram campaign with Curl Mix where I did a sponsored post and I created a 30-second reel for them showing and highlighting this 4-step curl mix method, okay? And even after the campaign, I have continued to use the products, and I've been using them for about, 6 weeks now. And I decided that I like them so much, I wanted to bring them directly to you at YouTube so that you can not only get familiar with Curl Mix, but you can learn all about the products and their 4-step method, because I think you guys will love these products. So let's get into step 1. The first step of the Curl Mix method is to cleanse your hair. I'm using the pure aloe vera shampoo in lavender fragrance, which is designed to clarify your hair and remove buildup. This is a really nice cream-based shampoo that gets a ton of lather. You want to make sure your hair is fully saturated, and you massage your scalp and your hair to remove all the products. I wash 2 times. The second step is to condition your hair. For this portion, I'm going to be using Curl Mix's Detangler comb. I absolutely love this comb. It's flexible, it's nimble, it's great. So I'm going to start off by applying the pure Grapeseed conditioner to my hair, which is going to provide hydration and ultra slip. You'll see here I sectioned out my hair, and I'm going to start off by the ends, and I'm going to make sure to comb the conditioner through each section. Make sure you section your hair, especially if it's long. Also, make sure that the conditioner is applied to soaking wet hair, okay? And you're just going to continue to work through the conditioner in each section. I come downstairs to turn on my steamer and to steam my hair, okay? My steamer is broken. Look at this. Not only this part came off, okay? And then this part goes in here like this, and then hold on, let's see. So this part comes in like this, and then you can see right here, this is broken. So now this piece that connects to inside there can't connect, which means I can't connect the hood. What am I gonna do? Am I just supposed to be regular and steam? I love this steamer. I've had this steamer for 5 years, and it has never steered me wrong. I already ordered another one, but I just had to share. So I will not be steaming my hair. I'll be doing a regular deep condition. And here I am, so basic, like, but it's okay. Listen, deep conditioners work whether you steam your hair or not. So I'm just gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse, and we're gonna go ahead and style for steps 3 and 4. Okay, just ignore the fact that I had to switch cameras, completely change my setup because technology was trying to play with my life. Anyhow, step 3 of Curl Mix's method is to moisturize your hair. I start off using the pure Avocado moisturizer, again in lavender scent. And this is a cream-based moisturizer, as you can see here, and it has a lot of jojoba oil in it. Then step 4 is to apply the Flaxseed gel, which is going to really define your curls without the hold. You can see here that it's super like custardy almost, and really gel-like. It's super light though. Here is the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm really gonna work through the product. This is why it's important for your hair to be soaking wet, because if your hair is dry, you're gonna get a lot of frizz. So make sure your hair is wet. This is the Pure Flaxseed Gel on wet hair. So even if you have to spray your hair after applying the moisturizer, the avocado moisturizer, go ahead and spray it again if need be. If not, go ahead and take the flaxseed gel and work it through with your fingers. Then I take my comb and I just smooth out the curls. And it's very important that when using this comb, you guys know it's my favorite comb, when using this comb, really focus on the ends of the hair and kind of getting that wrist snap at the end. That's really gonna make your curls pop and get them defined. Let's go through this process again. Wet hair. You can see the water spilling out from my hair. My t-shirt is wet. Curl Mix actually recommends for you to do this method in the shower because it requires so much water. So here we are again. This time I started out by sectioning out this section, combing it through before applying the avocado moisturizer. Now I'm working through the avocado moisturizer again with my fingers. I'm going to take the comb and smooth out my hair after applying the flaxseed gel. And here it is. Here's that twist of the wrist that I was talking about, the flip of the wrist, right? And here you have defined curls. Leave them alone and keep using this method throughout the rest of your hair. Here, same thing. Wet, apply the moisturizer, comb through the comb through the flaxseed gel, leave it alone, and move on. And as I get to the top of my hair, the method is exactly the same. Water, lots of water, and apply as needed. Your curls should be dripping with water, okay? Then the avocado moisturizer, comb through the flaxseed gel so you get a nice smooth section like this. And the more water you have, the more defined your curls are gonna be. And flip through and let your curls bounce just like this. Here are the finished results. You can see that there's consistency of the curls due to the comb that I used. We're nice and soft. My curls are actually moving. Curl Mix does a great job with the soft, but Curl Mix recommends you drying your hair by using a blow dryer or a diffuser. You could sit underneath a hooded dryer, or you could use a handheld diffuser like I'm doing. You want to make sure that you minimize the amount of movement of your hair so that it dries with minimum frizz. You see that I'm not really touching my hair. I'm just tilting my hair back, forward into different positions. This is it. These are the final results. My hair is about 80% dry. I did not dry it all the way. What I'm going to do for the rest of the day is I'm not gonna touch my hair. I'm not gonna pick it out. I'm not gonna try to finger out some of these coils here. My hair is gonna remain tight. It's gonna remain defined, and it's gonna remain a little wet. The reason why I'm not going to touch my hair is because I don't want frizz. Tomorrow, I will pick out my hair when it's completely dry, and then the subsequent days after that. Let me give you a close-up so you can see exactly, what Curl Mix is doing. Okay, so you can see curls are tightly coiled here. There's some here, like on day 2 tomorrow, that I could probably take out and comb out just a little bit with my fingers and elongate those, so I would do that, but not today. I'm just gonna let the hair be, and it's gonna be a little teeny afro. This is the back. Okay. Curl Mix's 4-step method is super duper easy. You start off by clarifying your hair, removing up all buildup, right? And then we do what? We hydrate our hair using here it is. We hydrate our hair using the conditioner, right? You can steam, you can leave it on. This is really a conditioner, okay? Number 3 is some more moisture, okay? This is really like your leave-in base. It's a conditioning cream. You leave it in your hair. And then finally, step 4, we define our curls by using the flaxseed gel. So that's Curl Mix's 4-step method. If you have any additional questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I will also put a link to Curl Mix's website so you can find out more information there and purchase products here. What else? I think that that's it for now. You're gonna wanna subscribe if you're not. Wanna know why? I'm gonna take this look into the next week and I'll be filming it so you can see how I take these fresh curls into day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. All right, so make sure you're subscribed, turn on your post notifications so you never miss out. All right, bye curl friends.